This is the Damped Oscillation Interactive Calculator, which analyzes the behavior of damped oscillatory systems under various conditions. The calculator offers 6 calculation modes through a drop-down menu. Calculate displacement at time t. Calculate damping ratio from system parameters. Calculate damped natural frequency. Calculate logarithmic decrement. Calculate energy decay over time. And calculate critical damping coefficient. For this demonstration, I'm using Calculate Displacement at time t. The input fields for this mode are mass in kilograms, spring constant in newtons per meter, damping coefficient in newton seconds per meter, initial displacement in meters, initial velocity in meters per second, and time in seconds. Let me work through an example. I'll enter mass equals 10 kilograms, spring constant equals 10 newtons per meter, damping coefficient equals 10 newton seconds per meter, initial displacement equals 10 meters, initial velocity equals 10 meters per second, and time equals 10 seconds. After clicking Calculate, the system computes the displacement at the specified time, showing how the oscillation amplitude decreases due to damping effects. This result helps engineers understand the system's position after accounting for energy dissipation through the damping mechanism. Find the link in the description below.